Molina buys AgeWell for $110 million. Virtual reality is being used to help children overcome their fear of operating rooms. And the Ice Bucket Challenge from way back in 2014 actually did help fund a drug for the treatment of ALS. These are the stories we'll be covering on This Week in Healthcare Tech. Hello and welcome to This Week in Healthcare Tech, where every week we're bringing you the hardest hitting news from the intersection of healthcare and technology. First up, Molina Healthcare, a managed healthcare service provider, has closed a $110 million deal to acquire AgeWell, a business focused on long-term care for Medicaid users. AgeWell is just the latest in a series of similar deals, all part of Molina's plan to fuel its growth through acquisitions. Molina will pick up 13,000 new members whose cumulative annual premium payments in 2020 were worth nearly $700 million. Next up, getting surgery can be an unsettling experience, especially for children. So B4 Inc. is teaming up with Saratasa Technology Solutions to build a virtual reality tool to help younger patients familiarize themselves with the operating room in advance of having surgery done. The hope is that kids and teenagers will find their procedures less intense if they're able to virtually interact with the medical devices they'll see on operation day. The VR platform is currently in testing and is just one of many imaginative ways companies are using immersive technologies to solve real-world problems. And finally, the Ice Bucket Challenge, a popular social media fad from 2014 in which participants would dump buckets of ice water over their heads to raise money for ALS, has actually worked. According to the ALS Association, the Ice Bucket Challenge successfully raised $2.2 million, which was used to develop a new ALS drug that cleared FDA approval this week. That's it for this episode. Tune in to This Week in Healthcare Tech next week for the latest news. And don't forget to like this episode, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks for joining me, and until next time.